Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen, the 311th episode and the 10th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2019. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well. What's a better combination than pumpkin and chocolate? OMG, it is incredible. So today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin chocolate chip bread. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, full of pumpkin chocolate goodness. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And this bread would be great to make with your kids. Also be great for a beginner baker. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my pumpkin recipes playlist for more recipes. So grab your canned pumpkin, your chocolate chips, and your loaf pan sugar, because we're about to bake some pumpkin chocolate chip bread magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And this is my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. I'm going to give that a quick whisk until it's well combined. Alright my friends, now it's time to add in the wet ingredients. We're going to add in 1 cup of puree pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix. 1/2 cup each of white sugar and packed light brown sugar. 3/4 of a cup of canola oil. 2 eggs at room temperature. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And 1/2 teaspoon of pure pumpkin pie spice extract. We're going to give all this a quick stir until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing everything together. For the final ingredient, we're going to add in 1 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using dark chocolate chips, so you can use the milk or the semi-sweet. And I add in a tablespoon of flour so that way it won't sink down in the bread. Going to stir the chocolate chips in until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring the chocolate chips in. Now ready to pour our pumpkin batter into our pan. We're going to pour the batter into a loaf pan that I greased with baking spray. Alright my friends, I got my batter into the pan. So now I have 1/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. You're just going to sprinkle them right on top. Alrighty, now we're ready to put this girlfriend in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven. My friends, it smells wonderful up in this kitchen, and you can smell it all over the house. I have taken my pumpkin chocolate chip bread out of the oven. Hey, my soul sister. So now I'll place it on a wire rack, and we're going to let it cool completely. Then I'll put it on my cake stand. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Pumpkin chocolate chip bread. Don't that look scrumptious? And look at the inside. I can see the chocolate chips. And that pretty orange color. That looks marvelous. Alright, now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Ooh yeah, look at that texture. Soft. Mmm. OMG. This is fantastic. I can taste the pumpkin and the chocolate. Flavorful, so moist. Y'all gonna love this pumpkin chocolate chip bread. Please give this recipe a try. And also, this would make a great gift to give to someone for the holidays coming up. This is divine. This deserves another bite. Pumpkin chocolate chip bread delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.